Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is Celebrity Cruises' new ship, the Celebrity Beyond. She carries 3,200 passengers and levels up in size, shape, and form from her Edge-class sisters, Apex and Edge. She's also taller and longer.
Hi everyone, let me show you around Celebrity Cruises' newest ship, Celebrity Beyond.
The outdoor main attraction is Midship, where the long and narrow lap of luxury pool stretches 75 feet. It's graced at one end by the iconic sculpture of an enormous white elephant balancing on a man's back. There are plenty of places here to relax with different types of seating. Lounges for sunbathing, sunken pods of circular couches for close conversations, and separate wicker chairs that can be moved around. Cabanas can be rented that have plush padded seating, and they face the pool instead of outward like they do on her sister ships. At the aft is the Rooftop Garden, and it's 20% larger than on her sister ships. It features lush plants and trees along with striking steel tree sculptures. Small and large couch arrangements create group seating, and oversized umbrellas offer protection. A jumbo TV is ideal for movies and sports events, and there's space for activities here from Tai Chi to dancing. The Infinity Plunge Pools offer seamless views of the ocean. The multi-level sunset bar at the aft is 180% larger than her sister ships. At the bow is the retreat, and this is a private 3-deck area for guests of premium suites. The area is 40% larger than her sister ships due to the addition of an upper sun deck. A shallow pool with in-pool hanging wicker chairs adds an element of fun. Hot tubs offer great views, and padded loungers, sunbed pods, couch seating, and cabanas offer enough variety for any mood. On the deck below is a glass-roof solarium pool that's ideal if the weather is uncooperative. The heart of the interior of the ship is the Grand Plaza, and Brian Abel, Senior Vice President of Hotel Operations, says, "The Grand Plaza is the heartbeat of the ship, and so we made it larger and surrounded it with restaurants and bars. It has a feel of a European piazza. The central chandelier features light shows that are choreographed to music at different times of day." The Eden Lounge is a large space that has a bar and cafe, and it converts from an area of classes and activities during the day to a cabaret theater with shows at night. There are about 32 food and dining venues, including 15 restaurants, 5 cafes, and 12 bars and lounges. There are 4 main dining rooms. Normandy has French-inspired cuisine, Cosmopolitan features American favorites, Tuscan has Italian food, and Cyprus highlights Mediterranean meals. There are 8 specialty restaurants. This is the newest, called Le Voyage. And here's Fine Cut Steakhouse. There are also 2 private restaurants for suite guests called Lumini as well as Blue. The Petite Chef is a unique dining experience where an animated cartoon-style video of food being prepared by a miniature chef is projected onto the tabletop. Here's a sample of some of the meals that we enjoyed. The spa is a gorgeous space and it overlooks the bow. While I wouldn't recommend Beyond for children because there are no aqua parks or water slides, there are child centers and programs. The main theater has terrific shows and the Eden Lounge does as well. But if you want to get away from loud music, there are plenty of bars that have quiet spaces. The hallway of mirrors was fun to walk through. And at nighttime, the Beyond is absolutely beautiful with the lighting. Beyond has 1,600 staterooms. This was the balcony cabin that I had, but there are more than 30 categories of cabins, and about 81% have balconies, 10% are ocean view, and 9% are inside cabins. There's also 178 connecting cabins. This is the infinite balcony that's very famous. This window goes up and down based on the wall switch. And it sort of blurs the line between interior and exterior, making your room feel a lot larger. Here's the bridge where Captain Kate McCue works, along with her crew and her adorable cat, Bug Naked. Thank you so much for watching. I tried to keep this video under 10 minutes, but if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And please subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks a lot and have a great day.